good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel MediQueen. I'm Ariba and I'm a fourth year medical student studying in New Vision University, Tbilisi, Georgia. And today we are starting with new subject, that is vascular surgery, and we have its class in another hospital and I'm just heading there. So hi guys, now I'm at the new hospital and today we are having the vascular surgery lecture, and this is another hospital. I'll talk you more about it later on. So yeah. So hi guys, today is 25th April 2023, Tuesday, and today we had our lecture in the new hospital, that is Center Hospital Tbilisi, and unfortunately due to certain disorganization between the schedules, our class was cancelled and now I'm heading back home, and I'll talk you more about it when I reach there. So yeah. Again, we had a new subject of surgery, but today it was vascular surgery, and we had our rotation at another hospital, and it was not the New Vision. We went there, but it was quite disorganized at the moment. They said that the class is cancelled, and like I ran out of so much time because of that, and so now I have the peer PBL for my students, in which we discuss certain cases with our students and then come at common conclusion what the probable diagnosis might be. So yeah, now I would be just doing that, and if I got time I'll have the lunch, otherwise I'll just eat something lighter in between. So yeah, and I have the online lecture after that, and I have a lecture in evening in university. So let's see how this day is going to be. I'll keep you along. So yeah. Now it's around 5:30 and I have the lecture at 6, which is online lecture. I have 6 till 8, and at the exact same time, not exact same time, I have the lecture from 7 till 9 in university, and now I'm confused what should I do. So I'm planning, I still have half hour, so I would be going to university and then doing the lecture online there, and let's try to attend both the lecture at the same time. It's interesting, and due to today's hectic schedule I'm already tired, but still let's see and let's try to manage it out. So yeah, meet you in the university. Whatever you think, can you do some more now? Swear you got me falling for your resonance. So now I have came to university for my lab medicine lecture. I do have a class in ENT surgery and lab medicine, but there's still 30 minutes for lab medicine to start, so I'm just trying to attend it online by my phone. So lab medicine is a subject which helps students to work in medical and pathological laboratories, and it is used in diagnostic evaluation and treatment, and our doctor was just giving us introduction about the subject. So hi guys, now we are done with our lab medicine lecture, and it was just a basic introductory lecture, but that's really interesting subject because in this we are learning about the labs lab diagnosis and the tests that are required. So I think that would be interesting. And we just had a brief introductory class for it, and now I'm heading back home. This is Ambient cafeteria, as you can see. So here, and let's go home.
Whatever you think, can you do some more now? Swear you got me falling for your excellence. Whatever you get, can you take some more now? Swear you got me crazy all night and day.
Today we have our first maxillofacial lecture, and now we are trying to find the doctor. And now everybody is signing for their attendance and then sharing why they want to pursue medicine as their career.
Jeffrey from Craving. Hey, from Craving. Or you from my second degree of work.
What I keep from my practice, I try to
Into 4 quarters. Now we're talking about the upper part of the left side of the face, which concerns the left eye.
know what you missed.
So hi guys, today is 26 April 2023, and we came for our maxillofacial lecture. It was on another campus of New Vision. It was really interesting. I'll talk to you about it more when I be back home. So yeah, meet you later. Guys, now I'm back from maxillofacial lecture, and it was interesting. One of the funniest and engaging lecture that I had till now in this semester, and I like his approach of teaching. Doctor pointed out certain rules that we need to follow in his lecture, which were quite creative. One of the rule is he don't want us to use the words maybe, probably, seems like, and all the words that show that we are not sure. And I like it. How cool is that? He wants us to be sure of and firm of what we are saying. So that was one of the things that I liked and I admired. And then, you know, one fun thing that happened in lecture was we were given image, like he showed us certain image and he asked us to describe it one by one, and everybody started describing the image, and it seemed like it was the back of neck. There was partially the hairs were visible, and it seemed like it's on the lateral side of the neck, but everybody started describing the wound or the incision that it was, and everybody finished. And then doctor said that it's not the area of neck, it is the area incision on the head. And that was so fun and embarrassing, but from this we learned a new skill, that how to describe if you're not sure, like how you can describe incision or lesion. So that was quite fun. I liked it. And yeah, so Now I'm back and I have the ENT lecture in quite a while. I have it on 6 and now it's around 5:30 already, and to refresh myself I'm just grabbing the coffee, having the coffee, and also I have recently uploaded my today's vlog. I hope you like it, and I'm also hungry. I didn't had anything from morning, so I will also, if I get the time in between the lecture, I would be grabbing something to eat for myself. And yeah, so I'll enjoy the coffee and see you maybe tomorrow. So yeah.
Corneal during inhalation and exhalation and volume flow, temperature measurements before, after degradation or nasal provocation possible. This is the diagrams of this.
This beautiful blue colored building is Orbelani Baths, and it is often mistaken by visitors for being Juma mosque, which is behind the Orbelani Baths, and it is one of the most famous landmarks in Tbilisi. It is recommended to book your session a day prior to your visit.
Juma Mosque, also known as Tbilisi Mosque, is a lovely historical building, which has become an integral part of the old city. Located at the foot of Narakala Fortress, at the end of Botanical Street, it is only surviving mosque in the city. Apart from its endearing architecture, Tbilisi Mosque is known as a place where Shia and Sunni worshippers pray together in a rare show of unity. People of other faiths may also enter the Georgia Mosque to admire its beautiful mosaics.
And up above here is the women's section for prayers, where I offered 4 rakats of Asr prayer and 2 Shukrana prayers, Alhamdulillah. As you walk a little uphill from the mosque, you find this peaceful place with beautiful mountain and greenery view. You may also walk downwards to visit the secret waterfall named Lekhta Heavy Waterfall.
Leg Vitakevi Waterfall is one of the ancient place in Old Tbilisi. The waterfall is about 22 meters tall. The name Leg Vitakeli comes from Georgian word, legvi, which means fig. There are so many fig trees around this place.
I was trying to say something about the waterfall, but due to huge noise of the waterfall behind me, the noise wasn't clear enough, so I just muted it. So if you are a tourist visiting Tbilisi, then you can take the best sightseeing bus from the Liberty Square, and it will take you around different places in Tbilisi. So hi guys, I'm just back home, and today we went to Juma mosque, which is in Old Tbilisi, and I had the thought of going there since quite long time, and also I wanted to go there on the Eid, but it wasn't possible, so we were not having any class in the evening, so we just randomly decided to go to Juma mosque. And yeah, and now I'm back home, I'm hungry, and I'll pray now and I'll sleep, and that was it, and I'll meet you tomorrow. So hi guys, today is 28 April 2023 and I'm at the university and we have modern microscopy lecture now. I'm gonna finish this vlog up here because it's gonna extend a lot, and I'll continue this vlog so see you in my next vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel MediQueen, like, share, comment, and take care of yourself. Keep studying, keep learning. Bye guys.